हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। फॉर पीडीएफ जॉइन आवर टेलीग्राम, लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। गास्टली, भयंकर, भयानक। मीनिंग, कॉजिंग ग्रेट हॉरर और फियर, फ्राइटफुल और मैकेबर। Synonyms: horrible, terrible, frightful, grim. Antonyms: pleasant, delightful, attractive. Example: some of the survivors of the ghastly bus accident claimed that the drivers should have responded properly. Tactical, samrik, chaturaipurn. Meaning, relating to or constituting actions carefully planned to gain a specific end. Synonyms: strategic, calculated, planned, skillful. Antonyms: random, unplanned, haphazard. Example: a minister described the decision to sign up for the PM Shri scheme as a tactical move. Disquiet, becheni, ashanti. Meaning, a feeling of worry or unease. Synonyms: unease, anxiety, worry, apprehension. Antonyms: calm, peace, tranquility. Example: the party expressed its profound disquiet over the government inking the move. Surreptitious, gupt, छिपा हुआ. Meaning, kept secret, especially because it would not be approved of. Synonyms: secret, clandestine, stealthy, furtive. Antonyms: open, public, overt, blatant. Example: the party leader expressed anguish over the surreptitious policy reversal. Unabated, nirantar, bina ruke. Meaning, without any reduction in intensity or strength. Synonyms: relentless, incessant, persistent, unceasing. Antonyms: abated, reduced, diminished. Example: the fishermen's harassment by the Sri Lankan Navy continued unabated. Pivotal, nirnayak, महत्वपूर्ण. Meaning, of crucial importance in relation to the development or success of something else. Synonyms: crucial, central, vital, critical. Antonyms: minor, secondary, peripheral, unimportant. Example: the annual celebrations remind the country of the pivotal role that Sardar Patel played in the formation of an independent India. Preemptive, parvakraya, nivarak. Meaning, serving or intended to preempt or forestall something, especially to prevent attack by disabling the enemy. Synonyms: preventive, precautionary, defensive, anticipatory. Antonyms: reactive, responsive. Example: with the information gathered over time, the special cell was able to make the preemptive arrests. Affront, apman, tiraskar. Meaning, an action or remark that causes outrage or offense. Synonyms: insult, offense, indignity, slight. Antonyms: compliment, praise, respect. Example: voices within the judiciary have expressed the opinion that the attack was an affront to the judicial institution itself. Inconsequential, tuchh, महत्वहीन. Meaning, not important or significant. Synonyms: insignificant, unimportant, trivial, minor. Antonyms: significant, important, crucial. Example: the Chief Justice had himself brushed off the incident as inconsequential and a forgotten chapter. Magnanimity, udarta, mahanubhavata. Meaning, the fact or condition of being generous or forgiving, especially toward a rival or less powerful person. Synonyms: generosity, charity, benevolence, chivalry. Antonyms: pettiness, selfishness, meanness. Example: the bench noted that the Chief Justice had himself shown magnanimity by ignoring the episode. If you like the video, do comments and subscribe. Stay cool, keep learning, be Gen G.